guess I'm supposed to be scared, cause you got toast up in here. But nigga, let's get one thing clear. I don't need a block without my Glock. Is it because I'm standing with your bitch? I got all these stones on my wrist. Don't think you're leaving here with this. I don't need a block without my Glock. I'm on another level when it comes to this. Cat swung and miss, strapped under this. Rap's hungry as top soloist. Hopped over this cheap imitation try. Couldn't find an ice pop cola, bitch. Wires get tapped, your rep can't control the snitch, which means I'm in the bing if I throw 'em bricks. I dump carrots in the ring, overflow the wrist. Man, I even bring the thing when I go to piss. Look, money ain't a thing, thought I told him this. Your boy big as Yao Ming, I'm a soldier, miss. Only problem in hip hop is waiting. Knowing that butter, I make the strip pop like bacon. Hating, so look sloppy, so I stop, get the rollie fitted. Got a fan base in the towns that think Kobe did it. Them dick riders on the block and they starving. Give me a year, I'll be rocking the garden. And still be in the bricks, same bitch, same sloppy apartment. Bubble gum on the top of your carpet. Food stains in your clothes, they can't catch him. Dude changing his flows more than his hoes. Just got a range in the roads. And these hoes ain't always love me, I was pissing them off. Cause she got the fuck banks for you get to the boss. Now I moved up and ranked ice chips in the cross. To see me blow, it's like vice grips on your balls. I guess I'm supposed to be scared, cause you got toast up in here. Well, nigga, let's get one thing clear. I don't need a block without my Glock. Is it because I'm standing with your bitch? I got all these stones on my wrist. Don't think you're leaving here with this. I don't need a block without my Glock. I was destined to swim backwards in cash since the day I was smacking the ass. Give me that blue cush in the booth and I'll be back in the flash. First week I'll be platinum in half. Going hard in the yard, still hungry like I'm back in the draft. Same shitty attitude, Cadillac in the stash. It's the critically acclaimed, lyrically inclined, and I'm easily influenced. Keep my name out your rhyme. Nowadays niggas tell your own balls set you up like Avon and string a bell. I'm from the ghetto like Akon, so bring a L. You worthless like a wedding ring in a cell. Hell, all day I'm blowing dope. City aroma on my coat. It's stronger than secondhand smoke. When I tote, I blow it in the sky for the slaughter of every mother and daughter that died in that water. For that little girl playing outside with a quarter. But we're supposed to hit the guys in the corner. I make the heads bop in the street like speed bumps, cause every ball hit you hard as a Muhammad Ali punch. My bitch got an ass about as wide as a tree trunk. Shit hit once, I think about it for 3 months. Don't you know my nigga L pop off wigs? Leave him in the grass and say hi to their kids. I guess I'm supposed to be scared, cause you got toast up in here. But nigga, let's get one thing clear. I don't need a block without my Glock. Is it because I'm standing with your bitch? I got all these stones on my wrist. Don't think you're leaving here with this. I don't need a block without my Glock. Bull Banks, nigga. Gang Green, nigga. You know the team, nigga. G, Nay. Shit. It's over. Nothing else wins.